Okay. Yes, I'm still calling the Lagos State Governor to release our brother. Of course, all of us know this our brother. All the Igbos in Lagos, when I know this our brother, when I know him, just leave it like that. Leave it like that. Wait. Hold it. Just leave it. Don't touch it. Just leave it like that. Okay. Just leave it like that. This our brother during the presidential election, when some Yorubas are beating Igbos in Lagos that they want to vote for Ebube. So this man that people are seeing here stood up, said that he will invite the IPOP people to come to Lagos to secure Igbo business in Lagos. So since that time, they arrest this innocent man. Since then to today, they never leave this man. So I'm calling the Lagos State Governor to release our brother. This man is innocent man. Lagos State Governor, when the Yorubas are maltreating Igbos, beating them, he couldn't do anything. He couldn't tell their people to stop the tribalism they are practicing in Lagos. And this man stood up, said that he was going to call the Igbo people to secure their business of their brothers in Lagos. And this man was arrested. Since then, this man arrested. Since then to today, they never released this man. Since then till today, they never released this man. Lagos State Governor still hold this man and the Gaba. So I'm telling the Lagos State Governor and the Tinubu to release our brother for us. This man is innocent man. This man you are seeing here is innocent man. So, and all the Igbos in Lagos, I don't like this, I like to own them, man. I'm telling you the truth. This innocent man stood up for you people. The way they're persecuting you in Lagos, and this man stood up for you people, and all of you abandoned him. In Lagos, in fact, I don't want to use bad word, but all of you, what should I do? No good. This man stood up for you people, and they wanna leave him. Since then till today, this man still there inside. So I'm calling the Lagos State Governor to release our brother for us. Lagos State Governor, release our brother. Release our brother for us. This man is an innocent man. He did not commit any crime. He did not commit any crime. Let me stop this message here. As I was watching this video, make sure that you are sharing this video. Lagos State Governor, Governor Sanwo-Olu, release our brother for us. That is the only thing I can tell you. Let me stop it here. Yeah.